the user has the ability to import a skeleton or FBX file that has been exported from QTM. Export a static T-pose skeleton file from the same calibrated skeleton. Import the T-pose skeleton, select the file in the project window, and refer to the inspector window to configure the model. Change the animation type to humanoid. Choose to create the avatar from this model. Click Apply, then click Configure. A green figure means that segments are properly mapped. Scroll down in the inspector window, and in the drop-down menu labeled Pose, select Enforce T-pose. Click Apply, then Done. Import the animated skeleton. Select the file in the project window. Change the animation type to humanoid. Since the name and segment labels are identical, copy the avatar definition from the T-pose avatar and click Apply. Return to the project window. Create an animator controller by right-clicking in the folder. Scroll to Create and select Animator Controller. Give it a name. Switch the scene to Animator. Drag in the movement file from the animated FBX. Return to Scene. Select your avatar. In the Inspector window, under the Animator tab, apply the new Animator controller and play the scene in Unity.